Everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials, and let's continue the topic of statistics in Six Sigma. So we cover up what is mean, mode, median. We also cover up how to calculate variance, then standard deviation, and today we will go with the another concept, that is what is coefficient of variance. Guys, these all are the important concept that to be understood if we are working as a team leader role in any of the company, and if we are planning out for Six Sigma certification. This will for sure come up with any of the project whenever you are going with the statistics calculation. So if you missed out all the videos which we have studied together, can go with the playlist. You will find all the videos related to it, and do check, don't miss to share and subscribe the channel. You can also check out all the videos related to Six Sigma certification, quality analyst, trainers, operation team lead, Excel dashboard, Google Data Studio. Many more videos are there. So let's start this concept, coefficient of variance calculation. Guys, before moving to this video, I will tell you the simple funda how to calculate it. If you know how to calculate standard deviation, then just you need to divide standard deviation with the average. You will get the coefficient of variance. This is the easiest way you can do. Now, how to calculate standard deviation, we have already explained you in the previous video. You just check it out, guys. You will get to know all the information about it. Let's start with the process. Directly we will jump into the standard deviation. Though the formula of standard deviation we have already seen earlier. We'll just select out all the numbers. We'll get certain percentage here. Yes, this is what a standard deviation says. Now we need to calculate mean, equal to mean, which means average. Let's calculate the average all the data set what we have. Okay, done. We got this. Now divide the standard deviation with the mean. We will get the coefficient of the variance. Now this is the easiest way you can get the answers in the Excel. Still have any doubt, please share your feedback and comments in the comment section, guys. Let's start step by step. The steps are explained here in very detail, guys. Let's go with one by one. First of all, we need to calculate mean of all the data set. We have already calculated mean of all the data set. Yes, this is nothing, just an average. Now subtract the mean with all the data set individually. So these are my data set. I will subtract it with the mean. So which is 100%, which is I will subtract it with the mean, that is 90%. Now I will just drag it to the last Jerry, the last data set. Okay, now you need to square it the step 2 with itself. So which means I will multiply 10% into 10% again. So I will select H9 into, again I will select the H9, which means it will do square of the itself. It's done. I will drag the formula here. What is the next step? The next step is sum the new data set. Now this is the new data set. I will sum it off. Okay, I got this value. I'll just mention that we have done the sum here. Okay, not nothing to be added, that's fine. Okay, we done the sum here. Now what is the next step? Post doing the sum, you need to divide it with the count of data set. The value what we have received, I will divide it with the count of data set. How many data set we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 employees name we have. So I will divide it with the 6. I get certain number. Now I will, this is actually a variance, guys. If you don't know, you can also check out the video. This is the entire step for the variance. Now if I do square root of it, if I do square root of this number, I will get the standard deviation. See, you can see that the numbers are same, 7.9 and 7.9%. Convert it into the percent. Okay, we got the same result what the calculation we have done with the help of Excel formula. We got the same. Now three things we have calculated. Now first we calculated mean. Second, we followed all these steps. Second step, I divided my data set with the mean. I squared it the same data set with itself. I did the sum. I divided the new data set with the number of data set we have. Then I have summed all the data set and divided it with the 6, which means I have a 6 name here. If I, this is not standard, this is the variance for me. If I do square root of it, I will get the standard deviation. Now simple, divide the standard deviation with the mean what we have. For the same result, I got the same result what I got in the initial step. I got the same result, 8.9%. and now also I got the same result, that is 8.9%. This is all about the coefficient of the variance. You can easily do it, guys. It's very easy, but it's very complicated itself, because whenever we go for the interview we may get a question in many ways. You just need to go with the formulas, the function, the steps what I have explained in all the 4 videos. Check it out, guys. You will get all the information in very detail. I tried my level best to explain variance, standard deviation, all of my videos, reason, so that it will get a great practice to you whenever you go for the project on Six Sigma using the statistics. So this is all about the coefficient of variance, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Keep checking Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook page. I will be posting there many of the vacancies related information, and notification you will get if you click on bell icon. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching.